Thank you, Adeni. To effectively withstand storms and manage crises and disaster, the adoption of information communication technology must be prioritized. This was among conclusions reached by participants at a 3-day capacity building workshop on combating emergencies held in Lagos. Olumide Eguntola reports.
The outbreak of coronavirus in 2020 shut down economies of the world. Businesses and organizations that never envisaged a pandemic of this magnitude to be equipped for unseen scenarios like these. A 3-day executive capacity building workshop on business continuity, planning and organizational resilience was organized. Emphasis was laid on effective communication as a veritable tool for crisis management. Resource persons at the workshop and found that proactiveness during crisis is always productive.
Make sure that you don't delay communication. Any leader that delay communication in crisis is creating period for people to have rumor.
Telling people to leverage technology in managing risk.
The representative of Director General of NTA, Steve Egbo, enjoined the public to cooperate with the network in its quest for rapid economic growth, even in the face of emergencies.
Our ability to move forward, our ability to remain what we are and get to where we are going is dependent on our ability to manage these crisis situations in order to achieve reasonable results.
Participants comment their thoughts on the outcome of the workshop.
Level of preparedness should be top-notch at all times.
You must have business continuity plan so that you can absorb the shock when unexpected events or incident occur.
Preparedness against unexpected disaster, unexpected pandemic, it must become our way, our culture.
I want each of the ministries at least take one or maybe quarterly, organize a capacity building of this sort.
In the course of the event, professional, technical and associate members were inaugurated and certificates presented to participants who cut across various spheres of life. In Lagos, Olumide Eguntola, NTA News.